This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. Belle Isle, Simply Homes model. Lease back opportunity. Home offers contemporary spaces west a refined venue for entertaining. Open and bright floor plan. Grand 2-story foyer, elegant bar. Exposed beams in great room west stone gas fireplace west custom wood mantel. Gourmet kitchen west/2 islands, 1 west farm sink, walk-in pantry, cambria quartz and cutting-edge APPLS. Main level master suite west is enter walk closets west custom built-in shelving. Large all-glass walk-in shower west tile seating, his and her vanities and freestanding soak tub. Loft library and tech center finished lower level west media room, full wet bar, recreation room, powder room, full-size 5th bedroom with walk-in closet and private bath. Custom 2-level home with 4,421 square feet of living space, 9 feet ceilings, 8 feet doors, engineered hardwood floors, custom built-in shelving thruout, cambria quartz in all baths and crown molding. Beautiful.